Hello, everyone. I have some special guests for today's book reading. It's my daughters, Riley and Haley. Say hi, Riley and Haley. Now, Riley and Haley got something in the mail today, something pretty cool. You want to show us what you got, Riley, first? What is it, Riley? Tell us what it is.
It's a cool necklace.
It's a cool necklace. What's so cool about it?
I'll show you. That's mine, Riley. No, it's mine. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, I'm not ready.
Haley, do you want to show us that necklace? Is that one yours, Haley?
Yes, right. Check it out.
What's so special about the necklaces?
Our dad gave it.
Your daddy gave it to you, and it has your name on it.
Haley has to put it.
Riley got hers, and Haley got hers.
No, this way. Okay.
All right. Thank you for showing us your cool necklaces. Now we're going to read a story together. Are you ready for story?
From our dad, and it has her name on it.
Yeah, you got it from your dad. It has your names on it. Okay, are you ready for story time now? Riley, Haley, you ready for story time?
Yes.
Okay,
She's not putting her necklace back.
it's okay. Tilt it down a little bit so we can see you. I'm going to start reading Frozen 2, Spirits of Nature. Okay, everybody listening? Here we go. Let's read it like this. Here we go. There were once 4 spirits of nature. The spirits have not been seen for many years. Elsa's power is growing. She blasts her magic. It wakes the spirits. How does the song go? Into the unknown.
Into the night.
All right. Okay, the trolls tell Elsa the spirits are upset. Shh, listen. Elsa must face the spirits. She will go to the enchanted forest. Anna and Elsa go north. Their friends go too. They find the enchanted forest behind a wall of mist. The 4 spirits are wind, fire, water, and earth. The wind spirit is playful and friendly. Hey, don't be hyper. Listen. The fire spirit is small but mighty. Hey, girls, you're on the video. You're on a video right now, no fighting. The wind spirit swirls around the friends. They fly into the air. This is what it's like reading at home. The fire spirit runs through the forest. Hey, girls, do you remember this part? Where the fire spirit? What is the fire spirit? It's the little lizard. That's right. Elsa chases its fire with her ice power. Haley, go get the horsey. Haley, you get the horsey. The earth giants are big and powerful. The water spirit is swift like a horse. Haley, do you have the water spirit? There's the water spirit. I see it. Ooh. The earth giants sleep by the river. Anna and Olaf float by. Hey, this is a part where you guys have to be quiet because the earth giants are there. Shh. They are very quiet. Be quiet or the earth giants are going to wake up.
You're so big.
The water spirit. Haley. Here's the water spirit. Haley, get the water spirit. The water spirit swims in the dark sea. Elsa meets the water spirit. Elsa faced the spirits. There will be peace throughout the land. The end. Say bye. Say bye, everyone.